Equipped with cutting-edge radar, sensors, and communication systems,
From a distance, the Atlantic's double-bubble fuselage and high straight wings made it instantly
which provide quieter operation, greater speed, and redundancy, important in overseas missions. The Boeing P-8 Poseidon is a state-of-the-art maritime patrol and reconnaissance aircraft developed for the United States Navy. Based on the proven design of the Boeing 737-800 commercial airliner, the P-8 combines commercial efficiency with military-grade performance, making it a critical asset in modern naval operations. Designed to replace the aging P-3 Orion, the Poseidon enhances the Navy's ability to conduct long-range anti-submarine warfare (ASW), anti-surface warfare (ASUW), and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. Equipped with cutting-edge radar, sensors, and communication systems, the P-8 can detect, track, and engage both underwater and surface threats with exceptional precision. Its internal weapons bay allows it to carry torpedoes, depth charges, and anti-ship missiles, while its advanced sensor suite ensures seamless real-time data sharing with allied forces and command centers. With its long range and extended endurance, the Poseidon can patrol vast oceanic regions without frequent refueling, maintaining a persistent presence in key maritime zones. The Poseidon's versatility extends beyond traditional warfare roles. It has been employed in search and rescue operations, humanitarian missions, and disaster relief efforts, where its ability to survey wide areas and communicate vital information quickly proves invaluable. Its crew benefits from modern avionics, a digital cockpit, and ergonomic systems that reduce fatigue during long missions, ensuring sustained operational effectiveness. In conclusion, the Boeing P-8 Poseidon represents a significant leap forward in maritime patrol technology, operated not only by the United States Navy, but also by allied nations such as the United Kingdom, India, Australia, Norway, and New Zealand. With Germany and South Korea also acquiring it, the P-8 has become a cornerstone of international maritime security. By merging commercial reliability with military innovation, the P-8 continues to play a vital role in safeguarding international waters and deterring potential threats across the world's oceans. It provides unmatched capabilities for protecting global sea lanes and supporting cooperative naval operations. As nations increasingly focus on maritime security and regional stability,
When the Cold War brought new challenges to the world's oceans, Europe found itself in need of an aircraft capable of watching vast stretches of sea for hours on end. Out of that need was born the Breguet Brad 1150 Atlantic, a sleek, purposeful machine that became the eyes and ears of NATO's maritime forces. Designed in France and flown by several European nations, the Atlantic blended endurance, versatility, and unmistakable French engineering flair into one of the most distinctive maritime patrol aircraft ever built. From a distance, the Atlantic's double-bubble fuselage and high straight wings made it instantly recognizable. But this design wasn't about looks, it was about function. The spacious lower fuselage held an internal weapons bay for torpedoes, depth charges, or mines, while the upper deck carried sensors, radar systems, and a crew that could stay aloft for more than 10 hours. Its two Rolls-Royce Tyne turboprops provided a steady hum that could carry it low and slow over the ocean, hunting submarines or tracking surface ships with quiet precision. Every element of the Atlantic's construction spoke of its maritime calling: corrosion-resistant materials, long-range endurance, and the stability needed to loiter patiently over choppy seas. From the 1960s onward, the Atlantic became a familiar sight in NATO patrol zones, serving France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, and later Pakistan. It watched over the North Atlantic during tense standoffs, rescued sailors from peril, and evolved with the times as electronics and sensors advanced. Its modern descendant, the Atlantique II, still flies with the French Navy today, proving that the original concept was far ahead of its time. More than a mere aircraft, the Atlantic came to symbolize cooperation, vigilance, and the quiet power of endurance. The Breguet 1150 Atlantic may never have sought the spotlight, but it earned respect through decades of dependable service. Graceful in flight yet rugged in purpose, it represents a golden age of European aircraft design, a machine built to patrol the edges of the known world, and to do so with quiet confidence and enduring strength.
The Kawasaki P-1 is a Japanese maritime patrol aircraft developed and produced by Kawasaki Aerospace, serving as a modern replacement for the aging P-3C Orion in Japan's naval aviation fleet. It stands out among maritime patrol aircraft because it was designed from the ground up for its role, not converted from a civilian airframe. And it is the first operational aircraft in the world to use a fly-by-optics flight control system. In design, the P-1 is powered by 4 IHI F710 turbofan engines, which provide quieter operation, greater speed, and redundancy, important in overseas missions, compared to turboprop alternatives. Its configuration, low wing, 4 engines, enhances stability and maneuverability, especially at low altitudes and in maritime surveillance roles. The avionics and sensor suite are advanced. It includes an AESA radar, Toshiba HPS-106, electro-optical infrared sensors, magnetic anomaly detector, MAD, in the tail, sonobuoy deployment systems, and a built-in tactical mission system to coordinate anti-submarine and anti-surface operations. The P-1 can carry torpedoes, depth charges, missiles, such as Harpoon on external hardpoints, and internal payloads via its bomb bay. Operationally, the P-1 entered service with Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force in 2013 and gradually supplanted the P-3C in patrol squadrons. As of recent counts, Japan operates some 30-odd P-1s. Japan is also exploring variants and enhanced roles, including an electronic warfare derivative based on the P-1 platform, to bolster its electromagnetic domain capabilities. The P-1 is also being marketed for export now that Japan has eased its restrictions on military exports. In sum, the Kawasaki P-1 represents Japan's foray into a homegrown, fully integrated maritime patrol and anti-submarine aircraft, one that combines modern avionics, sensor suites, redundancy, and purpose-built design to meet the challenging demands of extended overseas surveillance, sub-hunt, and maritime domain awareness.